Today, we are going to fix Windows Update. If you're getting any kind of errors while updating Windows and you have tried many steps, and if it's still not working, I'll tell you 3 simple steps which you need to follow, and I'm very much confident that it'll be fixed somehow. If it doesn't, then I will help you to install all the updates manually in a very easy process. So let's get started. So here in the search bar, this type of Windows and it will find Windows Update settings. So firstly, we will check which version of Windows we have. What is the patch we have? Now once the Windows Update window's open, look at the right side. We'll find OS Built Info. So once you click on that, now here you can check which version of Windows you have installed. Once you have checked the installed date in OS Built, we can simply close this window. This update error is a very common problem in Windows 10 or Windows 11. Now, in the search bar, type Troubleshoot Annual, find Troubleshoot Settings. So once you open Troubleshoot, just look at the button Additional Troubleshooters, and once you click on that, you will find Additional Troubleshooters get up and running. Resolve problems that prevent you from updating Windows. So once you click on that, run the troubleshooter, it'll take another 5-7 minutes. Once this is done, restart the computer and see if you're able to update your Windows or not. If it's giving you an issue, then we will do a System File Checker, Microsoft System File Checker. So we will be running SFC Scan. I'll mention these commands in the description box. So for that, we just need to click on Search Type CMD. Run as an administrator and it'll ask you to say yes. So once we just copy and just press Ctrl V, and this command will be pasted. So it's SFC /scan. Now once you hit enter, it'll begin the system scan it. Might take 10-15 minutes or more than that. We just need to let it complete. Once it is done, just restart the computer and try to update the Windows. And the next step, which we are going to do, is fix Windows file corruption. And for that, we just need to copy this command. And in the same manner, search CMD, run as an administrator. Allow the user account control, or you can press Ctrl V, which you have copied, and it'll be pasted like this and hit enter. So this is again a Microsoft deployment, Emmet Servicing Repair. This is a great way to repair the window, so it'll also take some time. And once this is done, restart the computer and try to update. And if it's still giving you issues, we can manually update. Or for that, you just need to go to the search menu, type Update, and then Windows Update Settings. Once it is open, you need to click on View Update History, and here, click on Uninstall Updates. Now look for the security update, the last update which you have. So there could be a problem that while installing this update, it got corrupted and it is not letting you to update the next Windows update. So you can take this, copy the KB number. I'll mention the link of this Microsoft manual update, so you just need to copy this KB. So it's KB502, 6361, so I'll just type KB502, 6361, and I will click on Search. This is a Microsoft catalog where we can download the update. It'll start downloading the updates, so you just need to click on that. You just have to search it here, and it will find the list of those updates. Let me know in the comment section if it has worked for you. And if you have any issues, let me know. I'll try my best to fix your problem. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.